5 a.m., your alarm goes off, and you have two choices. Hit snooze and prove to yourself that you're weak, or get up and become the person who controls their day instead of letting the day control them. But here's the problem. You've tried waking up early before, and you failed. Not because you're lazy, not because you lack discipline, but because you focused on the alarm instead of the system. In the next 5 minutes, I'm giving you the exact 5 a.m. club protocol that makes waking up early automatic. Not through willpower, through science. This isn't about motivation. This is about reprogramming your biology. And I'm warning you now, step 4 will sound crazy, but it's the difference between people who talk about waking up early and people who actually do it. Let's begin. Let me guess. You set your alarm for 5 a.m. Maybe you even put it across the room. You wake up, you turn it off, and you whisper to yourself, just 10 more minutes. 3 hours later, it's 8 a.m., you're behind, you're rushed, and you've already broken a promise to yourself. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Waking up early isn't a discipline problem, it's a design problem. Your evening routine is sabotaging your morning. Your sleep quality is trash, and your why isn't strong enough to pull you out of bed. This protocol fixes that. Step 1, win the night to win the morning. Your morning starts at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m., digital sunset, screens off, phone out of the room, no negotiations. Blue light kills your melatonin and tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. 9:15 p.m., hot shower, then a 30-second cold rinse. That drop in body temperature signals your brain that it's time to sleep. 9:30 p.m., prep tomorrow. Lay out your workout clothes. Put your alarm across the room. Write down your number 1 priority for the morning. 10 p.m., lights out. Room cool. Pitch black. You need 7 hours. 10 to 5. That's the foundation. Most people try to wake up early without fixing their sleep habits. That's like trying to sprint on a broken ankle. Fix the foundation. Step 2, train your circadian rhythm. Your body has an internal clock. Right now, it's set to wake you up at 8 or 9. We're shifting it gradually. If you wake at 8 a.m., move to 7:30 for 3 days, then 7, then 6:30, step by step until you hit 5 a.m. Slow shift, sustainable change. And here's the hack most people ignore. Within 2 minutes of waking up, get sunlight in your eyes. Go outside, look at the sky. No sunglasses, 5 to 10 minutes. That sunlight floods your brain with cortisol, the waking hormone, and shuts off melatonin. After a week of doing this at the same time, your body starts waking up naturally before your alarm. That's biological reprogramming. Step 3, the first hour fortress. The first hour of your day decides everything. Use the 20-20-20 formula. First 20 minutes, move, intense exercise, run, lift, burpees, shadow box, sweat. This releases dopamine, serotonin, and BDNF, brain fertilizer. You're creating motivation chemically, and you're proving to yourself that you do hard things. Next 20 minutes, reflect, journal, meditate, plan your day. No phone. Clear your mind. Warriors sharpen their minds before battle. Final 20 minutes, grow, read, learn, study a skill, invest in yourself before the world gets access to you. By 6 a.m., you've worked out, cleared your mind, and grown. Most people are still negotiating with their alarm. And one rule, no phone for the first hour. You build yourself before you react to the world. Step 4, the accountability anchor. This is the crazy one. Find one person, today, every morning at 5:01 a.m., text them 2 words, I'm up. If you don't send it by 5:05, you owe them money. No excuses. When it's just you versus your alarm, you can lie to yourself. But when someone's waiting, when money's on the line, when your word is at stake, you get up. Humans hate losing money. We hate breaking our word. Use that psychology. Make it painful to stay in bed or post it publicly. Reputation changes behavior. Step 5, the unbreakable why. Without this, everything collapses. You won't wake up at 5 a.m. for discipline. You won't wake up for productivity. You wake up for a purpose. Ask yourself, what am I building that demands more from me? Who am I becoming? What happens in 5 years if I keep hitting snooze? And what happens if I win every single morning? Write it down. Be specific. Not, I want success. Try, I'm building financial freedom for my family. Or, I'm becoming the strongest version of myself. Or, I train my mind to do hard things. Put that statement next to your bed. When the alarm hits at 5 a.m. and your brain screams sleep, you read it. And you remember, this isn't about waking up early. It's about becoming who you're meant to be. Let's lock it in. Win the night, reprogram your body, protect your first hour, create accountability, anchor to purpose. Follow this for 7 days. 7, and watch how your confidence shifts. Because every morning you win is a promise kept to yourself. And self-respect is built through kept promises. So tonight, 9 p.m. lockdown. Alarm set. Accountability partner chosen. Why write it down? Tomorrow at 5 a.m., you have the same choice you've always had. But this time, you have a system. And this time, no excuses. Your first 5 a.m. starts tonight. Go prepare.